This is just kind of an experimental snow shelter I've been working on. A snow trench is one of the quickest and easiest survival snow shelters you can make, but it requires deep snow, deeper than what we have here. If you don't have at least 3 or 4 feet of snow on the ground, it's going to be pretty crammed inside. You're not going to have much headroom, so I kind of have to improvise with what I have. The logs buried under the snow will give the walls some extra height. So right now you can even sleep in there as it is. If you just put a tarp or an emergency blanket over top of you as a roof with some logs underneath of it. But we're going to keep digging, build something a little better. To give myself even more space and headroom inside the shelter, instead of laying the branches flat across like a normal snow trench, I'll make an A-frame for the tarp to sit on top of. This is just kind of an experimental snow shelter I've been working on. I've also built quinzees, which is similar to an igloo, but instead of being made with blocks, it's made by shoveling a huge pile of snow, then hollowing it out. And you don't need a special kind of snow like you do for an igloo, which we rarely get here. The problem with them, though, is they're very labor intensive and they take several hours to build. So they're not really practical for a short-term camp out or a survival situation, but they do stay relatively warm. Even if it's in the negatives outside, a quinsee will stay around freezing on the inside. I'm trying to build something similar that takes a lot less time and effort. The most time-consuming part is searching for sturdy dead branches. Water's freezing up already.